Hi there, I'm Krista with WTI. As someone who buys and sells online all of the time, it's super important to me that I have the most efficient processes to ship my items. This Aixiqee thermal label printer has been the perfect addition to my online selling tools. The printer setup was pretty easy. It's Bluetooth compatible for my mobile device, and the app installation was quick and painless. I also can use it from my laptop, and I think it was so thoughtful that the package came with the compatible printer cable and a USB flash drive that was preloaded with the printer files that were needed to get it running on my laptop. The print quality is fantastic. Every label comes out crisp and clear, and the sample labels that were sent are 4x6, which is perfect for most standard label templates. The stickers fit perfectly on shipping boxes and poly bags, and I think that this really just gives all of my packages that professional and polished look. The printer operates quickly and quietly. That's super convenient when I need to print several labels back to back. And the best part, this tool is going to save me so much over time on ink. So if you're looking for a way to print labels in an affordable, fast, and easy way, you need to check out this Aixiqee thermal label printer. It will be the best addition to your home office. And that's my point of view.